Here's an interesting question. If you have a really robust response to getting a vaccine, like you get a headache and a fever and you feel crappy for a few days, does that mean that you're going to have really good protection from the antibodies that you eventually produce? The answer, I think, is no, and here's why. You actually have two immune systems. One that comes from really far back in the evolutionary tree, like things like crabs and jellyfish, invertebrates. They have this type of immune system. It's called the innate immune system, and basically it's just a really vigorous inflammatory response that tries to destroy whatever pathogen it's got its sights focused on. The other one is called the adaptive immune system, and that's the one that developed mostly in vertebrates. You basically need bone marrow to be able to create antibodies. So that system takes 2 to 4 weeks to be able to form antibodies, and that's why when you look at the trials, almost nobody gets really sick or dies after about 22 days because their adaptive immune system is kicked in. Now the question is, does a really vigorous innate response trigger a really solid adaptive response? I don't think so. But you do need enough of a response to turn on that system. But having a really big one versus a really small one probably doesn't make a huge difference.